For as low as 700 pesos per head for a minimum of 15 packs na luxury private resort na may hot spring pa, good for 45 packs. Tara, yung mga kanusam nyo ba ang nalaman ko? Binabad pa din sa Block 13, Lot 20, Bunceseso Homes Subdivision, Calamba, Laguna para mag-staycation sa Azul Luxury Private Resort. Yes, pinaka-favorite namin yung swimming pool nila na lagi bago yung tubig. Walang chlorine at kahit gabi ay warm ang tubig kaya di ka lalamigin dahil natural hot spring water ang gamit galing sa Mount Makiling. Malaki yung pool at may jacuzzi at may pool pang bata din na part. May basketball na pwede maglaro, may sun loungers on the side at mga tambayan. This is their kitchen area na may center aisle table kaya pwede kayo magluto dahil may basic appliances, few cooking wares and dining wares. At may ihawan din. May long spacious dining table kung saan pwede kumain at outdoor living room area na pwede kayo mag-video. Okay, want to sawa? They have billiards table, foosball and darts sa pwedeng gamitin. Tara naman sa kanilang air-conditioned rooms. They have 6 air-conditioned bedrooms sa may double-size bed at double-deck beds at combination na kayang-kaya ang 45 packs. Most of the rooms ay may sarili ding CR at TV. Meron silang free wifi, parking area and they are pet-friendly. This is their rates for your reference. O ano pa hinihintay nyo? Tara na din sa Azul Luxury Private Resort sa Calamba, Laguna. Let's go!